Most people think manifestation fails because they're doing something wrong. But what if I told you you're being tested, my guy? Not by the devil, but by yourself, right? There is nothing outside of you that is testing you. Really understand that shit and really ingrain that into your mind, bro. You are testing yourself intentionally. None of this shit was a coincidence. It is intentional. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you those exact 3 tests that you will come across. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. So the first test you're going to come across is the adversity test. Now, this is where most people fold because logically you'll expect if I'm doing the work, things should improve. So it may look like things are getting worse, but actually your old identity is just destabilizing. So you have to look at your manifestations as timelines, right? Or you have to look at your manifestations as identities. Now, the reason you want to look at it like this is because I know people teach manifestation in terms of like you're attracting something, the law of attraction, or you're creating something. You're not. You're just selecting a reality in the timeline in which you already exist in, experiencing that desire or that reality. That's all. Creation is instantaneous. Creation is already finished when you select it in your mind, when you visualize about it, when you have the desire, it is instantaneously created. Really understand that shit, bro. The present moment is the only thing we have. So if you visualize something in your mind, it's happening now in the present moment. If you visualize something that happened in the past, it is happening now in the present moment. Time is all happening all at once. It's not linear. It's only linear to your 3rd dimensional avatar, but to your 4th dimensional consciousness, all of this shit is happening all at once. When your identity begins to destabilize, you have to see your identity and your new identity, or your old reality and your new reality, as energetic entities that's being fueled off of your actions and reactions. If your actions and reactions are in alignment to your new reality, this old identity or old reality begins to shed and die, right? It begins to destabilize. Now, simply because this old identity or reality is aware of the fact that it's destabilizing, in order to stay alive, is going to throw people, places, circumstances, and things your way to get you to identify with the old reality again so it can stay alive. But the goal is to not react, not emotionally react to this old reality anymore, and continue feeling the new reality. Continue selecting the new timeline. Really understand that shit, bro. So this is some real world examples of this shit in action. When these energetic entities, the old identity, your old frequency begins to throw bullshit at you. So you decide to get more money, right? Then all of a sudden you got car problems. All of a sudden you get in a car accident. All of a sudden you get an unexpected bill or a ticket. You lose your job or your income dips. Just on some random shit. You did nothing differently for real. It's just some random bullshit happens. But it really wasn't random. Your awareness, your God consciousness within you is testing to see if you're bullshitting, bro. That's all it is. It's not a personal attack. It's not the devil testing you. It's not something outside of you that's trying to get you to be in a negative emotion or a negative vibration. You're literally just testing the integrity of your identity and what you say to yourself. If you're truly this person, these situations would not affect you if you really got your money right inside, because everything all happens from within. As within, so without. As above, so below. Yin and yang, bro. We live in a 3rd dimension built off of dualistic concepts. All of this shit comes in twos, right? It's a pair to everything. Really understand that shit, bro. So if you decide to get your money right and this bullshit happens, just know you threatened something that you can't fucking see, and you're doing something right. So continue to do what you're doing. Now, another thing that may happen to you, bro, is you commit to being more disciplined, then you feel more tired. Everything feels harder, or you get brain fog out of nowhere. When you get this download or you get this new idea and all of a sudden you just can't act as normal as you can. Why is that? It's because your old identity is trying to fog up your lens and what you perceive this reality shit through, so you don't elevate and rise past that motherfucker. But once you rise past that motherfucker, you'll realize all of this shit was bullshit and it was just a test and you passed the motherfucking test. So good job. Now, some common mistakes people run into, bro, is taking this shit personally. They ask, why me? So if you ask yourself, why me? 9 times out of 10, bro, you're going through an old frequency attack. Now, number 2 is reacting emotionally. Frustration is feeding the old frequency. When you are frustrated or you have self-doubt or you experience any type of negative emotion and you emotionally react to the circumstance or situation, you're telling your old frequency that, yes, this is real. Yes, this is my truth and my reality. You're telling your subconscious in your meat suit that, yes, we experience this shit over and over again. Yes, this is a common result and experience in my life. Yes, subconscious, replicate this back to me over and over again because I deem this shit as real. You have to understand, bro, your brain doesn't fucking see. You don't see, bro, you just receive. So simply because your brain doesn't see, it's just eating and shitting out light to your consciousness. You as the observer are seeing from a higher dimension called the 4D, the 4th dimension, bro. So since you are the observer of this entire reality, you get to choose what you want to experience by what you react to. So if you react to a negative circumstance, you're telling your meat suit, in which doesn't fucking see in the first place, that this is real. That, of course, I experience this shit as the observer, right? Really understand that shit, gang. Now, the third thing is assuming regression. Now, when you assume regression, you admit and assume that I'm going back in my life. That because this negative circumstance happened to me, I'm going backwards. That means all of my previous progress has just got diminished right in front of me. And that's totally false. That's what the old frequency wants you to think. Don't fall for that shit. You're not going backwards. Now, the last thing, bro, is checking the 3D for proof or validation. Now, this is a very big one, pause. When you check the 3D for proof, you're telling your meat suit and your awareness, which is God consciousness, that I'm looking to this 3rd dimension, which is a reflection of me anyways, that I'm not who I say I am, and I'm worthless because you created all this shit. So why are you looking to this shit for proof of who you are? That doesn't make sense. And it's only indicating and reflecting insecurity back onto yourself because this entire simulation matrix is reflective of who you are at your deepest core. It's a mirror, bro. It's a reflection of your mental projection, and how you perceive this entire mental projection. That's how you experience your own life, bro. So if I'm looking to the mental projection in which I created for validation, then I'm cooked, bro. It's over for me. So you have to understand that manifestation doesn't work linearly, bro. It works energetically first, then physically last. You have to give it to yourself internally first for it to be reflected back to you outwardly, right? This is why law of detachment is so important when you manifest, because if you are too dependent emotionally on your outside changing, then you're cooked. That means you don't have it inside. That means you are not the person in which has that thing. You are not the identity that will experience your manifestations. So it will never happen to you, bro. Really understand that shit. Now, the second thing you'll experience is the lag test. This is where nothing changes. So reality feels frozen. You're doing the affirmations, the visualizations, changing your inner conversations, but reality hasn't budged. This gap is testing if you can believe in yourself without seeing proof. So you may visualize more money, but your bank account stays the exact same. You may embody more confidence, but no change in how others respond to you. You may be working on your business, but you have 0 sales or views. This does not mean manifestation does not work, bro. This is literally testing your internal integrity. Are you who you say you are? Point blank, period. Do you have enough conviction in yourself to bring this reality to you, to step into this new version of yourself? If you really needed, if you really was who you said you were, you wouldn't need outside fucking proof. You would just do this shit because you are who you say you are. Really understand that shit and really understand that, bro. When your emotions are completely detached to results or outcomes, you are reflecting to reality, which is really your subconscious, that this is who we are, bro, regardless of what the fuck is being projected to you as your physical circumstances. Your physical circumstances do not fucking define you, bro. This third dimensional avatar is just a fucking meat suit in which you're moving throughout this dream illusion, this third dimension as, bro. This is not your true identity. What happens to this avatar does not define you as the awareness. So you're always superseding what happens to this motherfucker, bro. You can choose what happens to this bitch. The problem is you're trying to manifest things from the perspective of this limited ass third dimensional avatar. You're still identifying with this limited ass third dimensional meat suit, bro. Really understand that shit. When you transcend above all this shit in your mind and visualization, and you realize this is what's actually happening in reality, and I'm just tapping into the version of myself that is already experiencing my desires. That timeline is happening simultaneously, bro. So the test in which nothing happens really wasn't a test, bro. It's just you giving yourself more confirmation on a daily basis that you are who you say you are. When you reframe these things that happen to you, it becomes ever more easier to step into that identity, to step into that reality and manifest your desires, bro. Really understand that shit. Because remember, bro, the whole goal of the old frequency is to get you to emotionally react. So while you're stepping into this new reality, this new identity, your old frequency is trying to fight for your attention, bro. And it's going to fight for your attention by giving you circumstances that go completely against what you're affirming for, or what you're visualizing for, or what you're working towards, right? But since you are aware of the fact that your old frequency is fighting for a survival, that should give you even more conviction in self to keep going. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing the right thing, bro. This manifestation shit is so easy when you become aware of the bullshit that happens to you. The whole goal of this manifestation shit, bro, is becoming emotionally independent of outcomes, right? Shout out my nigga, neuro fucking knowledge. Manifestation is not emotionally being dependent upon seeing a reality change. That's a bar. Write that fucking down, bro. Put it in the comments. It's a reason that nigga said that shit, bro. It's a reason he keeps saying that shit over and over again in all his videos. Why? Because that's genuinely what manifestation is at its core. When you don't give a fuck for reality to change, when your internal state is independent of outside circumstances, you become a walking god on this motherfucker, bro. Regardless if your meat suit had went through some trauma, regardless if your meat suit had went through some negative shit, it don't matter, bro, because you're God. You're total awareness. Your awareness supersedes this motherfucker, bro. So the common mistake for this test, bro, is letting time dictate your conviction and needing proof from your outside world. When you give yourself all the validation and you give yourself all the proof internally, because you realize now that when you see something up in here, that's truly what's happening in reality. You know how the script plays out. You can't change what's happening inside the movie now because you playing in this motherfucker. But you know how this whole gonna end. Really understand that shit, bro. You know how the script gonna end, so it don't even matter what happened to you now in this current scene. You already got the download in a visual of where you wanna go. So you just directing the movie, bro, inside the movie. And you just acting in this motherfucker as if you don't even know what's going on, but you do because you're God. Your total awareness, bro. Now, the third and final test you're gonna get is the authenticity test. This is opposite day. Now, this is where reality does something disrespectful. It shows you circumstances the exact opposite of what you asked for. So you want more money, increase expenses. You want more love, more rejection. You want more peace, more chaos. You're being tested on the identity level. This is your last and final test. Really understand that shit, bro. The universe is asking. The universe, you, is asking, are you this person even now? Can you embody abundance in the presence of lack? Can you embody confidence in the presence of rejection? Really understand that shit, bro. This is the old frequencies, last opportunity, last resort to get you to emotionally react to circumstances, right? You want more money. Okay, I'm gonna give you more fucking bills. Since you say you're somebody who makes XYZ amount of money, I'm gonna give you more fucking bills. You say you're confident, you say you're perfection, you say you're love. Okay, show me. I'm gonna give you more fucking rejection. Show me. You gonna have to show me, bro. That's what your old frequency is saying. It wants you to emotionally react. But when you don't give a fuck about circumstances in the first place, it can't fuck with you because you realize you're a god, bro. You're a fourth dimensional being. This third dimensional shit doesn't matter because you supersede this hoe anyways. So the goal is, bro, just don't fucking waver because you know your true power. You know your true identity. You know who the fuck you are. Point blank period. When you know your true awareness, your true identity, and you know who the fuck you truly are, bro, nothing can fuck with you. Like, there's no type of new information that I can really tell y'all niggas, bro, because I've pretty much said everything. I'm just reminding y'all niggas of y'all niggas' true identity. Really understand that shit, bro. So when you get showed the exact opposite of what you asked for, just know that shit wasn't random. Just know it wasn't a personal attack. You're about to step into the reality where you're actually experiencing your desires. Really understand that, bro. Now that you are aware of the fact that this stuff happens intentionally, you can transcend it immediately when it happens to you, bro. You don't have to go into the circumstance, then realize, oh shit, I'm wavering, then try to scramble and get out of it, bro. All because you wavered doesn't mean your progress was deleted. It just means you need to get back on track. And when you get back on track, you're still in the same exact place and where you left at, bro. Really understand that shit. Your old frequency just wants you to think that you lost progress, but you didn't, bro. You're still in the same exact spot because we only exist in the motherfucking present moment. The past don't exist. The past don't fucking define you. The future don't exist. You don't have to chase after the future. You don't have to create the future. It's already created. You're just playing out the script in which that future was already existing, bro. Really understand that shit, gang. You already existed in that reality. That's why you had the ability to see yourself, to visualize yourself experiencing that reality, dude. You think that shit just came out of thin fucking air? Nigga, no, dude. You're actually experiencing that reality. That's why you have the ability to fucking visualize. Bro, what the fuck? Really think about that shit. Like, really sit down and really think about that shit, bro. Rewind this video, rewatch this video like 3 times and really meditate and think about what the fuck I'm saying, bro. Because even though it may not make sense right now, if this your first time on my channel, it's going to make sense. And when it clicks, you're going to be like, damn, I can see in the past where this shit had happened and some shit had materialized for me. Or damn, I can see in the past where this shit had happened and I wavered and I went back to the old identity. I went back to the same shit I was doing because I was thinking, well, shit, if this stuff happened to me, why won't I just go back to doing the same shit I was doing if this shit gonna happen anyways? That's what your old frequency wants you to think, bro. So it can stay alive. When you elevate, that shit not gonna be comfortable, bro. Really understand that, gang. It's not gonna be comfortable. But simply because it is not comfortable, that means you're growing into a new version of yourself. Inside of that uncomfortability is comfort. Inside of comfortability is discomfort. You can see this shit displayed everywhere in reality. You can be doom scrolling all fucking day. Then at the end of the day, your head hit the pillow and you thinking about all the shit you could have done. You think about all the shit you didn't do. And now you're faced with a painful reality of inadequacy. Or you can sit in the discomfort of doing the stuff you know you need to do. But at the end of the day, you can rest in the comfort of knowing you did what you needed to do. Really understand that, bro. Everything is dualistic in its third dimension. You are just the observer of this motherfucker. Really understand that, gang. Now, with all that being said, if you're having trouble getting results in manifestation, go download my free ebook in the description. And also, I do one-on-one coachings. And I also have step-by-step video lessons to help you manifest your desired reality. Go tap into both of those, link in description, link in pinned comment.